We also have the tag Blockquote, which is about any kind of quotation we're making from a specific person or something. And as you see, in terms of formatting, it makes our text stand a little bit further than our actual paragraphs and stuff. And as you see, this also can be included as a formatting tag. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.